Do you need a gift for one of your girlfriends, but you have a very short time to finish it? Well, let me show you how to make these earrings. Hi, I'm Sonia Ponin. Welcome to my channel. To make these earrings, you will be needing some feathers, some beads, and if you like, some pearls. Also, we need some felt. Try to find some interesting shapes to cut your felt. You can use one of your earrings. A needle, some thread, and just a drop of super glue. 2 earring posts. I've decided to go with this color combination because I think it's very contrasting and it looks good together. So I took my coin and put it on the felt and I drew it, and after that I cut it 2 pieces the same size. Then I cut it another round shape just in a bigger size. Now I have my 4 pieces of felt already cut. Choose 2 feathers that are similar. Now place the pearl in the center of the smaller piece of felt. I recommend you sew it because gluing it doesn't guarantee that it will come apart. After that, attach the little beads. You can go 3 by 3. This will make it a little bit stronger so the beads don't fall. Then I'm going for a second row with a different color. You can really go with as many rows as you want of beads. Using the earring post, poke through the felt. Notice that I didn't poke in the center of the circle. I did it a little bit higher. Place the feather in the center of the felt and then sew it. You can pull the feather to test and see if it's well attached. With a little bit of glue, you can attach the first felt that you decorated. I'm happy with the look of my earring. You can leave the feather as it looks, or you can trim it. I'm gonna go ahead and trim it, making a small triangle in the bottom. My recommendation is to use some big and straight and good scissors, so you can just go for one big cut. Once you cut it, then you can trim it and give the shape that you desire. I think that this looks pretty good. I like the triangle shape in the bottom with the round on top. I think it makes a good combination. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me some thumbs up. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook as Sonia Punin. I'll see you next week.